Good morning.
We just landed in
The Bahamas. Woo!
We just made it to Nassau, Bahamas, here on the Carnival Liberty. We're gonna take you along for an adventure. Let's go see what happens. Let's do this. Let's rock.
Woo!
We just got out of the main port area and we're gonna go check out the straw market. And everyone says you have to have a beer at the Pirate Brewery, so they tell me the Pilsner's to die for, so let's go see if we can have a drink or two.
Yeah, let's get a drink on.
Woo!
Definitely gonna have some brewskis.
Brewskis, oh!
I heard the Pilsner's where it's at, right? You got the Pilsner?
Dang right. Pilsner's what it is. But my personal favorite is the Captain Kidd's Coach. It's a German style beer with a crisp cracker taste.
Yes, I'll do that.
She'll have that and I'll have the Pilsner.
Alright, alright.
What's your biggest seller?
Our biggest seller is the Golden Haze. That tends to be the first thing to go.
Oh, okay.
Alright, we're inside the Pirate Brewing Company here in Nassau.
Yeah.
I opted for the Long John Pilsner, because you know I love those Pilsners. What do you get?
I got the Captain Kidd's Kolsch. Yum.
Kolsch and Pilsner together, perfect duo. Alright, you find anything good?
I think I found something for you.
What does it say?
Seaweed.
Look at that, guys. Seaweed. Pirate Republic seaweed. Do you have size 5?
No, I'm like 6 and a quarter. Okay.
I wish I was 6
I got
and a
a small
quarter.
head. No, this is too little. Too small. I think too small.
Never want to hear that.
Yeah, maybe that. That'll fit.
This one's a little big.
What? Too big, too small?
I know.
Do you see how high maintenance she is?
Okay, I can work with that.
We just left the straw market. Melissa wanted to find a hat.
I did. That was a fun little place. It's not all straw, but look what I got.
Melissa went throwback, and I love it and appreciate it. Look at that, baby.
Memories.
Checkerboard fedora.
All right.
Now they're gonna tell you all the hats are 30 or 25. Don't take that price.
Shop around.
We might be able to get it for less, but we got it for 15, which we think is a fair price. And she looks super cute in it.
Thank you, babe.
All right, babe. Apparently you're not allowed in, so
What is this?
I'll meet you up front. I'm gonna go grab a beer.
Okay. I'll stay thirsty.
So we've been walking around Nassau for a couple hours now. If you're worried about safety, it feels quite safe. Everyone's super nice. It's pretty expensive. They try to charge New York or California prices for stuff, but it's expected in a tourist area, but everyone's been super cool so far. There's been no drama or anything like that, and you would feel safe with your family walking around. There's tons of families. We went over to Señor Frogs that you saw, and that place seems like a tourist trap to me, so we skipped to get a drink over there, and they don't serve women apparently.
They do have a fun sign that, yeah, if you don't read it all the way through, it can definitely be deceiving.
I'm assuming what they mean is they don't have working girls there. Working girls, I guess that's why they would say that, because it says you need to bring your own, which is quite hilarious. This is like a family port, so maybe people are expecting something else when they get to Nassau, I'm not sure. But
that's for sure. Anything can happen out here or anywhere in the world.
It's been a good time so far. This place back here.
Wow, this is so fun. Look at an authentic Domino's table. What? Who's playing Domino's?
Oh my God, the Puerto Rican princess.
Yeah.
They have Domino's in the back room here. Chess too, but we're gonna go Domino's.
Yes, and they also have some beer pong.
Oh, there's beer pong.
Yeah.
Oh my God, beer pong over here.
That's right. Birthday parties and family fun.
And this place is right across from the port, literally, like right across.
How smart.
But you know we're gonna have to do some consequences, so let's figure it out. All right, we're at the pub here in Nassau, and we found Malizia's favorite game, Domino's. So we decided to do, again, how we do it, consequence. So we decided the loser of this game, we're playing one game because we gotta get on the ship pretty soon. The loser of this game has to give 3 different strangers a high five just randomly tonight. So if one rejects, that doesn't count obviously, you gotta keep going. 3 total, it's high five time, peoples.
And I can't wait, you know, I know I'm not gonna have a problem with this consequence, and at the same time, I'm gonna put out my good energy. Someone's gonna be lucky tonight.
See what I mean? She already thinks she's gonna lose, just because she knows.
Try. 2 o'clock maybe?
Ball game!
I had 1 bone left here. This was a very close game. Alright, thank you for being so gracious.
Thank you so much.
Ooh, this is so kind of you. Alright, cheers everyone. Cheers.
All right, everyone, we're at the pub here in Nassau. And this is the owner over here, Mars, and he just bought us the shots. What's up with the pub? How long have you been here?
So we've been here since December 3rd, 2014. We're a small little dive bar down in Nassau, Bahamas, in the downtown area, and we just provide good vibes, good people, and lots of wholesome fun.
We've been to a few bars you've seen on the video, and this is the most affordable, and it's right across from the port. So just walk literally right from the port over to the pub. They have Domino's, they have beer pong as you saw, and they have a bunch of games back there. I'm coming back next time we're here for sure. Cheers.
Pleasure having you. Cheers, buddy.
Heading back to the ship. It's time to get back on the ship. Make sure to visit Mars over here at the pub. Great prices, cool dude, and we even signed our name up on the wall, so hopefully that brings some more beautiful subscribers just like you, so we can keep bringing you the adventures from the sea and the land. I can't wait for Melissa to give her high fives tonight because,
That's right.
again, I dominated in dominoes. It's just what I'm used to. Although I suck at dominoes.
High five.
All right, you're gonna go for it? You got 3 to do.
I do. I'm gonna get one of them out of the
What's up, y'all? Thank you for joining us on the video of Nassau. We had a great time. Now, you just saw the video of Melissa getting her high fives. She was supposed to get 3 because she lost in dominoes, but
But I got 4.
she decided to get 4 in a row from the same group of people. What do you think? I think that's cheating. Will you comment below and let me know if that's cheating or not? I don't know.
I don't know. Do you think it's a redo? Well, I did get 4, and it happened to be the cast of the show, which was amazing.
Yeah, there was an America Rock show last night. I was impressed. We've been to a bunch of shows on cruises, and this one was awesome. It was a bunch of hard rock and classic rock, and the actually live musicians, which they hardly do on those playlist productions, but
Yes.
it was a great time.
Nice.
Today we are supposed to be in Princess Caves. That was our next stop, but it has been canceled, if you can believe it.
Oh my goodness.
It is storming. There is lightning. There is some rain. So, unfortunately, we're not going to be able to do a Princess Caves video, but you know how we do. We're going to go walk around the ship, find some things to do, see what we can get ourselves into.
Yes, find the little nooks and crannies.
So make sure to join us on our next video, and we appreciate your support. Please share with your friends, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for rocking with us.
Woo!